Hello everyone and welcome back yet again to another daily update video. My name is CryptoStash and I hope you're all having an amazing new week. Currently it is Monday and let's get right into the chart. Starting off with Bitcoin, of course, you can see ever since this liquidity grab below 75k, we have been in a confirmed uptrend. As you can see right here, 3 green candles in a row, currently getting back above that monthly open. As you can see, Bitcoin managed to reclaim this level. Those are our new pivot levels for the week. We have also gotten back above the EMA cluster right here on the 12-hourly right here. And right now the next important level target sweep is going to be for Bitcoin to get back above $78,000. And if we manage to get back above 78,000, we could very well continue aiming for the highs right here and even put in a new high as we go. On the short term, you can see right here, ever since this drop, we got all the delta cleared out, and ever since then you can see we're trying to reclaim. The delta is growing back and price is going up while open interest is going down. This means basically a healthy move is happening right now during this move up, and as long as we continue this trend going, then I believe Bitcoin could very well easily aim for the highs right here and break above $78,000. Same thing for it right now. You can see we have reclaimed back above the POC level. You can see we lost this level, as I have talked in my previous videos. This could be very well a fake out, and if we reclaim back above the POC, got a confirmation, as you can see right here, this candle, we did retest it one more time, and as of right now, from the POC, price is up 2.5%. The next target for it to be breaking is 2,200, which is basically getting back above the value area high. And then monthly open, as you can see, sitting around 2,250. So to the highs for it, it's going to be like 16% of a move, which is quite a big of a move. We're going to see this move happening if Bitcoin gets back above. You can see it right here. We're right now sitting exactly around the value area high for Bitcoin, and if Bitcoin closes the candle above this level, this daily candle, if we manage to close it today, then I believe we could get a retest of the highs very easily, and also this would mean that Ethereum could also move to the upside. Basically 200 EMA still remaining very key resistance. Hype is right now breaking above the all-time high right here. As you can see it on the weekly time frame, we are potentially having this engulfing candle to the upside, which means we could get another candle like the one that we got this past week to the upside, which could very well take us to around $80 to $81 for hype. This is the most important level that I'm looking at right now. You can see, to take in mind, considering the RSI momentum is getting overbought right here, we could very well get somewhat of consolidation for 2-3 weeks before we actually start pushing higher, in order for the RSI momentum to basically cool off a little bit, and then we start pushing up again. Back to Bitcoin, you can see we left quite a lot of liquidity after this major sweep to the downside, and right now I do believe Bitcoin is heading for the key liquidity sitting on top, basically 70, above 78 and above 79k. We got most of the liquidity. Fear and Greed Index right now remaining at 40, nothing new here. Spot ETFs, we also don't have anything new since it is just the start of the weekend. I do believe that today is a holiday. We won't be having a spot ETF reading, and also we won't be having a New York market session, I believe. Yeah, exactly, to open in 1 day and 2 hours. So no New York open today, no spot ETF inflows, I believe. So market could be very well either quite continue to the upside, or we could get a correction to the downside once again. to basically retest, I believe, our daily pivot sitting around 76.9k, so we might get a dip down below to also retest the weekly open. As you can see, it is also a possibility that we get today, since we don't have a New York open session. Long versus shorts ratio, you can see it right now. We do have more sellers in the market. Basically 51% of the major exchanges are sitting on short right now. Also the hyperliquid, the big whales, are heavily sitting short, which I do believe could trigger a big liquidation short squeeze to the upside, so we get a move up above 78 and to 79k to close also the CME gap that we still have not closed yet. Basically this would trigger a big liquidation event, closing out all the open short positions that the bigger whales have. The market makers also will basically, they don't care if you are a whale, they don't care if you trade with small positions, they will try to hunt you. So they will for sure try to hunt those short positions that are opened right now. We also don't have any news for today, since, as I said, it is a holiday. We also don't have any news coming out Tuesday, Wednesday. Basically for this week, the important news are going to be Thursday to Friday, so watch out for those. And I do believe this would cover it for today, guys. Hope you liked the video, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye.